the time I beat Matt up with a baseball bat?
I remember trying to wear your pants to a restaurant in St. Lucia.
That was good.
A couple times.
Are you ready?
Ready.
All right, so this is Matt Kissel, 605 Dirt here in Sioux Falls area. They do underground, I don't know, pipes, site grading, big equipment, all kinds of stuff. What else do you do?
Mass grading, construction, utility work, all that kind of stuff, road works.
So what equipment and stuff do you use precision GPS for that you previously, before that world, didn't use?
We've got it on a grader, dozers, excavators. We've got a rover. We're looking at adding it to a skid loader, but most of our grading equipment has it.
Yeah, so what are the efficiencies with that and having precision accuracy versus the old school style of surveyors coming out, staking, marking, hitting stakes with stuff is my guess?
A lot of it's timing. I mean, you don't have to wait for a surveyor to come out and give you grade stakes as you move through a site, as the grade changes. You don't have to worry about hitting stakes. People like to hit stakes, so then once they're run over, that's a problem. Tolerances are a lot tighter. If you're looking to put 6 inches of gravel into a job site, you're getting 6 inches of gravel, not 7 in this spot and 4 in this spot. 5,
Yeah.
So your tolerance is that. And then GPS just makes a good operator better. I mean, instead of grading things in first gear, you can grade things in second or third gear, which speeds things up drastically.
Yeah. So, and then the machine control now is kind of what everything's gone to, I see, I guess, is you got blade control, you got excavators that can dig to certain depths. Like, is that game changing in today's market?
Yeah, it definitely helps. I mean, like I said, you're using, materials have gotten a lot more expensive, so you're using the exact quantities that you're supposed to be using. You're avoiding a lot of rework. It speeds up the whole process.
Sweet. Thanks, Matt.
GEODNET. Mind the sky.